Whenever possible, remove the part from your own vehicle first. This will help you know exactly what tools you need to bring to get the job done. In addition, if any clips or fasteners strip or break while you're removing the part, you can always grab spares while you're in the yard. Instrument cluster removal, 1996 Honda Civic. Tools required for this job are a Phillips head screwdriver. We ended up using a power screwdriver for this setup. First, start by removing the two screws holding the outer bezel. You can then remove the outer bezel. The steering column has been removed here, but you can still remove the instrument cluster by working around the steering column when it's still in the vehicle. With the outer bezel removed, you can have access to the 4 retaining screws that hold the cluster into place. Remove the 4 screws. With the 4 screws removed, you can remove the cluster assembly from the dash and disconnect the electrical connectors. You now have your instrument cluster.